Here's how to install Animation Composer in Premiere Pro. First, open your web browser and visit the Animation Composer website. If you don't have Animation Composer yet, I've added the official link in the description. Just click it and sign up. Once you're on the website, download the latest version of Animation Composer for your computer. After the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Animation Composer. When the installation is finished, the application will open automatically. Now, sign in or create a new account using your Google account or email address, then follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're signed in, go to the Premiere Pro tab and click the Install All button. The installation may take a few minutes to complete. Once the installation is complete, close the application, then launch Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer and open an existing project or create a new one. Now, go to the Window tab at the top, hover over Extensions, and then click Animation Composer to open the panel. Animation Composer is now ready to use. You can browse and apply titles, transitions, and other motion graphics directly inside Premiere Pro. And that's it. You've successfully installed Animation Composer in Premiere Pro.